Welcome to Bright and Bold channel. Today we are taking you on a journey to a place that feels like a paradise, Lake Walchensee, nestled in the heart of Bavaria. With its crystal clear waters and stunning alpine panorama, Lake Walchensee offers a beautiful escape for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. But how do you get there? Don't worry, we have got you covered. In this video, we will guide you through all the details to reach this beautiful destination. Stick around and we will share all the information you need to make your trip a success. First, let's talk about the Herzogstand cable car. This cable car takes you from the shores of Walchensee to an altitude of 1600 meters, providing stunning views of both Kochalsee and Walchensee Lake. While there may be queues on sunny days, the cable car operates frequently, so you won't have to wait long to ascend. As for prices, it's 18 euros for a round trip and 10 euros for a one-way trip. Children aged 6 to 15 can ride for 7 euros 50 cents and children under 6 ride for free. You can find a detailed price list in the description below. Once at the top, enjoy the breathtaking view. You will have the opportunity to hike to another viewpoint, offering even more breathtaking views. The hike takes about 40 minutes and it's definitely worth it for the additional scenery. Now let's talk about how to get to Lake Walchensee. You can arrive by train and bus. By public transport, you can reach the Herzogstand Bahn with the Deutsche Bahn via Tutzing to Kochel and then with RVV bus on the line 9608 Kochel-Garmisch-Partenkirchen. If you are traveling from Munich Passing Station, you can get a direct RB train till Kochel. Be sure to check the timings of the buses as the frequency is bit low. You can get timings of these buses from the Tourist Information Center at the station. The bus will drop you at the Walchensee Herzogstand bus stop. Right across the bus stop, you will find the cable car line. Additionally, you can also view live footage of this stunning location through webcams. The link is provided in the video description. The timings of the cable car are displayed on the screen, so please check the timings before planning your visit. After enjoying the amazing views from the top, take a short walk to the lake near the bus stop and enjoy even more stunning scenery. And don't forget to grab a bite to eat at the nearby restaurant. So, what are you waiting for? Plan your trip to Lake Walchensee today and experience paradise in Bavaria. And for such amazing travel content, don't forget to like, share the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.